Hi, it's Leona at the Jungle Farm, just doing a little video for you with your herb planter. So you'll receive a pot and a little bit of soil, and you'll be receiving 4 herb pots. So you're going to take the herbs out of their little black pot that they were in. So if you just squeeze the 2 sides, it'll pop right out. Then you're going to be putting those plants in whatever order you would like down your pot. And you're going to then, once you've got your plants situated into your pot, you're going to actually spread the dirt that's left around the top of them so that all their roots are completely covered. Then you will have received drip tray, and you're going to snap the drip tray to the bottom. The trick with herbs is not to overwater them. So a lot of people have troubles with herbs because they are spending a lot of time loving them and watering them. And basil in particular likes to be on the dry side. So often when I'm doing a herb planter, I like to put the basil on the one end so that I can always water this end and actually not water the end the basil's on. But irregardless, keep your herbs in a nice sunny spot and underwater them. So keep this one right now is nice and moist, but I would let it sit for a couple of days depending on how hot and sunny it is. And when I do that, then I will be able to allow them to be really thankful to get some water. So you're better to underwater your herbs. Once they're ready to start picking, and I would say the chives are, I want to pick a third a week. So I'm going to take a third of them, and that helps to encourage them to grow more. If I can't use the third, then I'm going to dry them by laying them out on a paper towel in the sun, or I put them into my dehydrator. I crumble them up. I make sure that my herbs are put into a dark spot that's dry. So I put them in glass jars when I make sure they're completely dry, and I put them in my pantry where it's dark. If I leave them where you can see them in the sun, they'll lose their really nice, beautiful green. They'll still taste fine, but they won't look as good. Things like basil, you're going to cut differently. So in basil, I would even start cutting, even though this is kind of a baby, but if you look down here at this basil and look closely, I would clip right here. And in doing that, I'm actually going to create 2 brand new heads on my basil. So I'm actually going to get my basil to increase. It's going to be more and more by having cut off those top pieces. Again, once I feel that it's ready, I'll start clipping a third a week, and I actually increase the size of the basil by doing that. If I'm picking it when it's nice and young, I can eat the stem, the leaves, the whole thing. If I wait till it grows really tall and goes to seed, I actually am going to lose part of what I could potentially eat because the stem will get quite woody and I won't be able to use it. So underwater, nice, warm, sunny spot, and pick them a third a week, and you should have herbs all season long. Enjoy your herb garden.